Manufacturing is the process of turning raw materials or components into new products. The manufacturing industry employs over 13 million people in the United States. But what's so cool about it?
Founded in 1998, the history of solar innovations began with a team of just 6. Over time, the company expanded with the goal to become the best greenhouse, conservatory, and sunroom manufacturer in the United States.
In 2009, Solar Innovations moved to Pine Grove, Pennsylvania, where they currently hold over 30 patents protecting their vast range of products.
Hi, good morning. My name is Steve Boyer. I'm the Director of Operations here at Solar Innovation.
My name is Josh Musser. I've been here for 14 years, my 15th year this year. I am the Sales Operations Manager / Director of Project Management.
My name is Rudy Klinger. I'm a Production Manager on the floor.
My name is Leonard Zering. I'm a Fenestration Lead.
My name is Crystal Kazmarzik. I'm an engineer.
My name is Alex Vasquez. I've been working here for just under 3 years, 2.5 years.
My goal for the company is obviously to grow. I like to not only grow the company, but I like to grow my employees too. I like to further their education, allow them to improve their careers, whether or not their career ends up staying at Solar or somewhere else. I just like to be supportive for everybody that I work with.
My goal? I'm looking to hopefully grow into a higher position, but obviously I'd like the people that are training and working under me to grow into higher positions, so that way it propels me into a better position.
So my goal is to make sure everything's safe as possible for the end user. As an engineer, half the goal is make sure everything is safe. We don't want to put anything out in the field that would break or cause harm to our end users.
Floor is that I want to make every individual's life easier.
It all starts with designing the product and planning production. There are many factors that go into the production schedule before going to the floor. It begins in the extrusion warehouse, where bars are pulled for the project. From there, products go to the finishing department or cutting department, where they are cut and prepared.
From the machining department, parts continue to assembly, where panels are prepared and quality controlled, ensuring excellence for every product.
Manufacturing isn't only working on the floor. Engineers and designers are a crucial part of the manufacturing process.
I think my favorite part about my job is developing people. I'm a person all about culture and watching people become better versions of themselves, helping each other develop the skills and habits of excellence. And obviously when we do that well, the business ends up getting what it needs as well. So it's all about developing culture, people, and becoming better versions of ourselves.